Hi there, I'm Juliano and this is the Continue Desenvolvendo channel or Keep Developing channel, and I want to share with you a browser extension that I've created named Accessible Shortcut, and this extension can help you navigate easily on a web page because you can create shortcut focus on the element on the page. So I'll show you how it can be done. Here,
Google Chrome.
I'm on the Google search page and I'm gonna tab through this page.
Search for images link. Clickable Google Apps button collapsed.
And there are a lot of other buttons and links here, but there's this one.
Sign in. Clickable Google Apps button collapsed.
Google Apps. So let's say that I want to create a shortcut to focus on this element. So I can press the default shortcut to do this. Alt plus Ctrl plus Shift plus A. You're gonna listen to the sound. So now the extension is waiting for me to hold the key combination that I want to add as a shortcut to focus this element. I'm gonna hold Alt plus A as in app.
Accessible shortcuts dialog. The key combination for this shortcut will be Alt. Press OK to confirm or cancel. To discard. Clickable OK button. Accessible shortcuts. Button OK. Button cancel.
So this dialog is shown. Asking me to confirm.
Cancel button. OK button.
I'm gonna click on OK.
Clickable dialog. Clickable accessible shortcuts. Accessible shortcuts dialog. Shortcut created successfully. Clickable OK button.
Okay, created successfully.
Accessible
Okay.
shortcuts.
So
Sign in link.
now I can tab through this page, accessing other elements, links, buttons, and so on. Navigate
Search
now.
landmark. Search by voice button. Search by image button.
Okay, but if I want to focus on that element, I can just press that shortcut, Alt plus A.
Navigation landmark. Clickable Google Apps button collapsed.
And Google Apps button has been focused again. So you can do the same thing for multiple elements on the page and your navigation will become easier. So let's create another shortcut here.
Sign in link. Search landmark. Search by voice button. Search combo box collapsed has autocomplete multi-line editable blank. Focus mode.
Okay, let's say I want to create to focus on this text input to search. I'm gonna press again Alt plus Ctrl plus Shift plus A, which is the default shortcut. And now I'm gonna hold Alt plus S as in search.
Accessible shortcuts dialog. The key combination for this shortcut will be Alt S. Press OK to confirm or cancel. To discard. Clickable OK button. Cancel. OK button.
Okay, I'm gonna
Focus
confirm.
mode. Google document. Accessible shortcuts dialog. Shortcut created successfully. Clickable OK button. Browse mode. Accessible shortcut. Focus
Okay.
mode. Google document.
Okay, now if
Search
I
by voice button.
want to
Search
tap
by
through the
Google search button.
page.
I'm feeling lucky button.
Okay, so now I want to focus again on the Google Apps button, Alt plus A.
Navigation landmark. Clickable Google Apps button collapsed.
And if I want to focus on that text input to search, Alt plus S.
Search landmark. Search combo box collapsed has autocomplete multi-line editable blank. Focus mode.
Okay, so that works. That's great. And another shortcut that you want to use is to access the settings page of this extension. So you can press Alt plus Ctrl plus Shift plus C.
Accessible shortcuts. Heading level 1 accessible shortcuts.
So here you can check the shortcuts that you have created or the default shortcuts. So
Heading level. This is your extension for creating shortcuts on web. Simply press the tab key until you reach
Okay.
list of created shortcuts. Heading level 2.
you can find here the table with the created
Table with 3 rows
shortcuts.
and 3 columns. Caption shortcuts created. Row 1. Edge of table. Shortcut.
We have here a table with 3 columns.
Column 2 description. Column 3 action. Edge of
Okay,
row 2 all
so
day.
we have here Alt plus A, the first shortcut that we've created,
Description column 2 focus element on website www.google.com.
and focus element on the website, and here the website google.com. It means that you can use the same shortcut on multiple pages. So here I'm using Alt plus A
Shortcut column 1 all day.
on this website google.com, but you can use, for example, in youtube.com or in other pages. Okay,
Description
so
action column 3 button delete.
in action you can delete, so let's press it to see how it works.
Accessible shortcuts dialog. Do you really want to delete this shortcut? Press OK. Cancel. OK button.
I'm gonna press
Out of
OK.
table clickable dialog. Clickable accessible shortcuts. Accessible shortcuts dialog. Shortcut deleted successfully. Clickable OK button.
Okay, delete successfully.
Accessible shortcuts.
So if you don't want to use that shortcut anymore, you can delete it.
Row 2 alt S.
Now Alt plus S.
Description column 2 focus element on website www.
Here, focus element on the website. Okay,
Action column 3 button delete.
you can delete it. Okay, and also you can find
Default
here
shortcut list heading level 2.
the default
Table with 3 rows
shortcut.
and 3 columns. Caption default short. Row 1 column. Edge of table. Shortcut.
It's also a table with 3
Column 2
columns.
description. Column 3 action. Column 1. Row 2 alt control shift A.
And we have here the first one, Alt plus Control plus Shift plus A.
Description column 2 add new shortcut.
To add a new shortcut. Okay, but if you don't like this one, you don't like to press Alt plus Control plus Shift plus A,
Action column 3 button edit.
you can edit, okay? So by pressing here on this action,
Edit button. Press and release the key combination you want as the new shortcut or press escape to cancel this action.
I can simply hold the new key combination, for example, Alt plus Shift plus A.
Accessible shortcuts dialog. The key combination for this shortcut will be Alt Shift A. Press OK to confirm or cancel. To discard. Cancel. OK button.
Okay.
Out of table clickable dialog. Clickable accessible shortcuts. Accessible shortcuts dialog. Shortcut changed successfully. Clickable OK button. Accessible
Okay, it has been changed successfully, and now...
Shortcut column 1 Alt Shift A.
So now to create a new shortcut, you have to use this one. So you can choose any shortcut that you prefer. Just be careful to not use a shortcut that your system uses, okay? For example, Ctrl plus W, that is to close the tab on your browser, okay? So, okay, another one, Alt plus Ctrl plus Shift plus C to open this settings page, okay? You can also change it.
Description column 2, config, action column 3 button edit.
Edit, okay.
Press and release the key combination.
And now I can choose here, for example, I can hold here, for example, Alt plus Shift plus S as in settings.
Accessible shortcuts dialog. The key combination for this shortcut will be Alt Shift S. Press OK to confirm or cancel.
Okay.
Out of table clickable dialog. Clickable accessible shortcuts. Accessible shortcuts dialog. Shortcut changed successfully. Clickable OK button.
Okay.
Accessible shortcuts. Default shortcuts table with 3.
And now
Shortcut column 1 Alt Shift S.
Alt plus Shift plus S to open the settings page, and
Alt Shift A.
Alt plus Shift plus A to add a new shortcut. So this is the accessible shortcuts extension. You can install it on your browser, either Chrome or Firefox, and the links are on the description. And please, if you have questions, leave your comments here. You can also share this video with your friends and in other groups that you are in. Please help me to spread the word, because I think many people can leverage it. So I think this extension can help you and help other people to access the web page more quickly. Okay, so also after installing this extension, you can rate this extension on Chrome Web Store or Firefox Store. So please do it. It will help me a lot to understand if you like it and get feedback to improve this extension for us. Okay, so that's it, that's all, and don't forget, regardless of anything, keep developing.